Man, what's the word, bro? It's Jeremy back here with another video. I already did that actually, but basically the shoes we about to unbox them. It's about to be real quick. I got the shoes from Bravest Studios on Instagram. Instagram be right here, bro. Fire shoe. Well, I ain't gonna unbox them yet. We about to unbox them. Then we gonna say how fire it is, cause man, basically how they was looking online, I know they gonna be fired. All right. So y'all ready for the shoes? We about to go ahead and get them. So this is the box right here, and bro, this is good. I got a tripod, but I'm not using. I got to on another shoe box. And another thing is, your boy Jeremy, bro. I'm trying to start getting more into fashion. I got a clothing brand, obviously, but I'm trying to actually like, bro, not buy more. Well, I guess buy more things. Just get more into fashion, get more stuff. So shoot, these shoes, like I said, Bravest Studios. The shipment actually wasn't that bad, you know, clothing brands and stuff like that. Alright, baby, this is somewhat smooth. Is this gonna be clear? Yeah, it's gonna be clear. So I'm about to go ahead, open the box. Got my scissors. Okay. So once we open the box, we have another box. Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy. So let's see. Okay. You know what? Yo! Y'all know what I just realized? The box got fox fur on it. Like, y'all can't see because the plastic's still on here. But basically, if you see right here, designed in New York, fashion made, size 13. That's the tag right there for the shoes. And bro, y'all ain't subscribed already? Go ahead, subscribe, comment, like, you know, all that good stuff. Dang, this box tough. Oh no, this gonna get everywhere. I can already tell. The fur gonna get everywhere. Basically, I mean, it low-key look like somebody did this themselves. They just kind of glued. Oh shit! I just dropped the box. My bad, y'all. I ran out of storage, and I could. Oh my god, I got fox hair all over. Bro, y'all see that? Bro, I got this fox hair all over my pants. Damn. But anyway, y'all, this the box as y'all see. I ain't gonna lie, it's tough. It's just I feel like if they would have just did the top part fox, that'd have been enough. No, bro, I ain't even about to do that. But we about to go ahead and reveal these. I'm gonna let y'all see first. Kind of like, okay, right. So these the shoes and. Okay. Okay, so this is the shoe right here and everything, and I don't know how to feel about these low key. But y'all see that? Got like the bear claws and everything. So shoot, they come with. So you got the inside right here, which is, you know, Bravest Studios. Is that? Oh, that's upside down. I don't know if y'all can see that. But yeah. Okay, I'm rocking with them. I'm glad and if y'all want to know how much these was, it was like $110. But after shipping, I think I ended up paying like $130. I got fox hair all over me. But no, I'm rocking with them. This is the bottom of them. As you see, you got the claws right here. So yeah, I'm rocking with them. So sure, I'm about to go ahead and put these on feet and let y'all see them. All right. Y'all see them? Bro, these tough. These way harder than I thought they was gonna be. I'm not even gonna cap. These way harder. Ooh. Bro, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking with. And they comfortable, like, bro, these real life comfortable. And they low-key look harder than I thought they was gonna look. But, I don't want to get no fox hair in my dreads. But, man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The feel, bro, that's a 10 out of 10. Like, these feel good. I like the style of them. I say, like, style-wise, bro, you really gotta put a fit on. Not really. I think they did this to a point where you can just put these on. But I'd say, style-wise, bro, they probably like a 8.5. Yeah, probably about 8.5 out of 10. Bro, but the experience on unboxing it, I ain't gonna cap. That was an 11, 12, you feel me? Like, bro, the box is fox hair? I don't know if I'm saying that right. But you see the box? Crazy. So shoot, man, that's the video. Well, that's not the video. I'm actually about to flick up for y'all, show y'all a little bit of, you know, whatever I do. Just show y'all the product, and then shoot, the video will be over. All right. So go like, comment, subscribe. I kept it short for y'all, so at least y'all can do is comment, like, and subscribe. Like I said, shoes by Bravest Studios. Get on it. What's up? It's your boy Jeremiah and Jeremy. Now you know, same video. We're doing the, you know, the Bravest Studios bear slides. It's like 4 days later. This probably be a week later, I ain't gonna lie. Shit. I need to get better at that, but we at the new spot. Anyway, I ain't gonna show y'all too much, but this, you know, this part of the new spots. I'm trying to pick up spots for content and spots for, like, you know, just to do stuff on my clothing brand too, so yeah. But anyway, these the shoes right here I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so you see, this is it on feet. And if y'all hear background noise, it's really just because I'm under a bridge, kind of like. Yeah. So, come on, let me show y'all just look. You feel me? A little fit check. But anyway, shit, that was it. I'm gonna keep it short because I don't have space on my phone no more, and like I'm really trying to figure things out with storage because I'm running out of it. I went from a nigga that had thousands of gigabytes of free storage to they being all filled up with games, videos, all type of shit. So I gotta work on that. But hey, man, that's the video. Hope y'all like the slides, and shoot, follow the clothing brand, all that, new spot for content. Hey, it is what it is. Peace.